Well, in a win for victims, the Senate has finally agreed to investigate the insurance and superannuation sectors. It follows an explosion in complaints from families unable to get access to funds and death benefits. Our Investigations reporter, my old mate Jonathan Lea, he's been following the story from the very beginning with great reporting as well. So what will it mean, Jonathan?
Well, Pete, good morning to you. The terms are being kept very broad at the moment, but what we know is when it comes to the financial sector, when you turn over rocks, you often find cockroaches here. This investigation is going to be done by the Economics Reference Committee. They deal with issues which are given to them by the Senate. Liberal Senator Andrew Bragg chairs that committee. He's been pushing for this for months. It's going to deal with some broad issues, but specifically what the Senator wants to deal with and what we've been looking at is the superannuation funds, the TPD claims, that's the total and permanent disability, and also the third-party companies which are contracted by the super funds to deal with people when they phone up and when they try and get in contact with the super funds to get access to their money and get the death benefits of loved ones. We spoke to a number of widows and grieving family members. This is some of what they told us months ago. They'd struggled for 8 and 9 months to get access to the money that they desperately needed.
It's not their money. It's our money that we saved for.
Sorry. It does. It wears you down. It wears you down.
Pete, the Senator says that this investigation will go wherever it takes us. Of course, that will then be determined by the submissions which comes through. He also wants to have a look at, and this is very new, what's been called an aged care insurance, something to help prop up the sector, to see if the insurance sector is fit for purpose. We know that since we've had the Royal Commission in 2018, we're still struggling for nurses, we're still struggling for beds. When it comes to this investigation, Labor and the Greens have pushed back for some months, but they are now on board. The Senator believes that this has officially already begun and he hopes to have it report back by the 30th of June next year. It's going to be a big one, Pete.
OK, and you'll be watching that closely. Jonathan Lea, thank you.